Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. I hope you guys are fine. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So today I am going to explain two prepositions in this video. So those are in the front of and in the middle of. Is this clear? So let's come to the topic. The first one is in front of. Now what is in front of, how to use it, where to use it, and what is the usage of it? Is this clear? So see, in front of is a preposition. What is in front of is according to the grammar. According to the grammar, in front of is a preposition. Grammar के लिहाज से in front of एक preposition है. Is this clear? Now what does it mean? See, इसका मतलब क्या है? देखिए. In front of means face to face, across from, or opposite. What does in front of mean? See, in English, in front of means face to face, across from, or opposite. Is this clear? In front of का क्या मतलब है? In front of का मतलब ये है face to face, मतलब आमने सामने, आमने सामने. Across from ये भी आमने सामने, और opposite खिलाफ. Opposite आप खिलाफ कह सकते हैं. Is this clear? Now what is the usage of it? See, in front of does not show motion. In front of does not show motion. It doesn't have any kind of movement, or it does not show any kind of movements. Is this clear? In front of जो है हरकत को जाहिर नहीं करता. Motion means हरकत, हरकत को जाहिर नहीं करता है, या फिर एक्शन को जाहिर नहीं करता. Is this clear? Now see the example. After example you will come to know. Let's sit in front of the teacher. See, let's sit in front of the teacher. Now what does this example mean? This example mean that let's sit face to face to the teacher, or let's sit in front across from the teacher, or let's sit in the opposite of the teacher. Is this clear? As you can see here, in front of means face to face, across from, or opposite. So we can say, or we can use all the words which means in front of, right? Which means in front of. So we can use all of them in the sentences in front, in place of, in front of. Is this clear? Let's sit in front of the teacher. Now इस example का क्या मतलब हुआ? इस example का मतलब ये हुआ कि चले टीचर उस्ताद के सामने बैठते हैं. उस्ताद के सामने, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि इन फ्रंट ऑफ का मतलब है आमने सामने. तो इस सेंटेंस का यह मतलब हुआ कि चले टीचर के सामने बैठते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर? नाउ सी अनदर प्रीपोजिशन, इन द मिडल ऑफ. Now what is in the middle of, or what does it mean, how to use it, where to use it, and what is the usage of it, right? So see, in the middle of is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition. In the middle of is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition. Grammar के लिहाज से in the middle of जो है ये एक preposition है. Is this clear? Now see the usage of it, or the meaning of it. What does it mean? See the meaning. In the middle of means in center of. So see the meaning of in the middle of. In the middle of means in a center of, right? In center of. Now what does it mean? It means that this place, right? This place of the whiteboard, we can say that this place is in the center of whiteboard, or it is the middle of whiteboard. Is this clear? In the middle of का क्या मतलब है? In the middle of का मतलब ये है कि दरमियान में तो ये जगह जो है व्हाइट बोर्ड पे, ये हमारे पास इन द मिडल ऑफ व्हाइट बोर्ड है. मींस ये हमारे पास दरमियानी हिस्सा है. किस चीज का? इस व्हाइट बोर्ड का. इज दिस क्लियर? सी द एग्जांपल. ही sits in the middle of the class. See sentence. He sits in the middle of the class. Now what does this example mean? This example means that he sits in the center of the class. As I told you that in the middle of means in center of. So we can say in both ways, whether we want to use this in the middle of, or whether we want to use the center of, right? So we can say he sits in the middle of the class, or he sits in the center of the class. Is this clear? इस सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब है? He sits in the middle of the class. इस सेंटेंस का ये मतलब है कि वो क्लास के दरमियान में बैठा है. क्लास के दरमियान में बैठा है. या फिर हम ये से भी कह सकते हैं he sits in the center of the class. Because क्योंकि in the middle of इसका मतलब भी है in the center of. हम कह सकते हैं अगर हम चाहते हैं कि in the middle of यूज करें या फिर in the center of यूज करें, दोनों का मतलब एक है. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. Thank you so much.